Welcome to Rhee, the Explorer's Life and Lifestyle Hub. Here on this channel, we talk about all things health, lifestyle, and learning. This is the channel where if you are an explorer and you want to explore health, lifestyle, and learning, this is something for you. As you know, I was away in Africa on holidays, and I had such an adventurous moment. You see me here with my family riding in a Land Cruiser on a bumpy road, having so much fun. And just see, this is how we travel around in Africa. I mean, we need such heavy machines because of the state of the roads. And I'm back in Switzerland, and I would like to now show you how we travel in Switzerland. And in my next clip, sit back and enjoy riding with me in a Swiss train to work. This is just a part one of how I travel to and from work in Switzerland. Please sit back and enjoy. So please ride with me to work. Ride with me to work. Just riding on the train, going to work. So come with me. Come with me. We're going through a tunnel soon. Going into a tunnel. A short tunnel. So again in a tunnel, but it's small one, a very short tunnel. Yeah, we are out again. Stop here. short stop. See, some people are leaving the train and others will enter. So the doors on the train are automatic, they close themselves. This is basically my way from work to the city, and in the city I'll take another train, like a long distance train, a fast train to the city where I work. Rocks and mountains and hills and all this, but anyway, there are tunnels because there are many rocks around. So in Switzerland they are specialized in just breaking through a mountain or breaking through a rock and making a road or a railway. So this railroad, it's going through a lot of rocks, and even it's going under the lake or something like that. Here we are also crossing the lake. It's like it's under the lake or something, if I'm not wrong. We're crossing the lake now. This tunnel is for crossing the lake. So let's see. Tunnel. We're just in a tunnel. So we're getting out of the tunnel now. Getting out of the tunnel. Here we have arrived at the main station. We have arrived at the main train station in the city, and I will just disembark from the regional train, the short train, going to take distance train, a fast train to the city where I work, and it takes exactly 1 hour on the way. So come with me. Come with me. Uh-oh, I have to run. I have to run. I have to run, guys. I have to run to catch the train. I have to run because my train is leaving in 2 minutes. In Switzerland, the trains are very, very efficient and punctual. That's why you see me running, and not only me, but other people also running in order to catch their connections, because the trains leave exactly on time. So thank you so much for watching part 1 of how I travel on trains in Switzerland. And please look out for the second part, where I show you in length how I travel in long distance trains from one city to the other to my workplace. Thank you so much for being here, and see you in the next one.